If the bustling scenes of Halong Bay feel overwhelming, set your sights on something more serene. Bai Tu Long Bay. Bai Tu Long Bay, just northeast of Halong, is a tranquil escape with pristine waters and fewer crowds. Though less flashy, it offers a more intimate and authentic cruising experience. Let's explore the top 15 best cruises to experience the quiet charm of Bai Tu Long Bay, where nature feels untouched and the journey feels personal. Dragon Legend Cruise brings a luxurious 5-star experience with spacious cabins, handcrafted wooden interiors, and a peaceful atmosphere. Guests can enjoy a sun-decked pool, wellness treatments, and visits to signature sites like Tien Can Son Cave and Vung Vieng Fishing Village. Designed in the style of a classic wooden junk, Signature Cruise offers refined elegance with private balconies, jacuzzi tubs, and personalized service. The itinerary features quiet corners of Bai Tu Long, like Vung Vieng Village, perfect for travelers seeking comfort and cultural immersion. A well-known choice for budget-conscious travelers, Swan Cruise provides clean, cozy accommodations and friendly service. This 3-star cruise offers meaningful experiences like kayaking around Cap La Island and exploring Tien Can Son Cave without the crowds. With only 11 cabins, this traditional-style junk is perfect for small groups and couples who prefer an intimate setting. Dragon Pearl Junk focuses on off-the-beaten-path excursions, including kayaking, cave visits, and island exploration near Han Co and Vung Vieng. Simple yet charming, Garden Bay Legend offers a warm atmosphere aboard a wooden boat that feels like home on the water. Its route through Cap La and Vung Vieng offers a relaxing pace, ideal for travelers looking to unwind. An enhanced version of its sister cruise, Signature Royal delivers spacious cabins, a grand sun deck, and high-end dining. It combines comfort with scenic routes through peaceful locations like Tien Can Son and the floating village of Vung Vieng. Paloma Cruise offers a pleasant mix of traditional charm and modern facilities. With spacious rooms and welcoming hospitality, travelers can enjoy kayaking, cooking classes, and cultural stops along the quieter parts of Bai Tu Long. Renowned for its attentive crew and homey atmosphere, Renea Cruise caters to guests looking for a personal touch. Its itinerary includes the Kong Do area, Kap La Island, and Tien Can Son Cave, all while avoiding the tourist rush. With just a handful of cabins, Amira Cruise is a boutique option ideal for those who value privacy and a slower pace. The cruise emphasizes service quality and takes you to lesser-visited corners of Bai Tu Long Bay for a peaceful retreat. Oriental Sails combines classic wooden aesthetics with modern conveniences for a laid-back cruise experience. The route includes iconic sites like Tien Can Son Cave and is well suited for first-time visitors seeking comfort without extravagance. Emperor Cruise offers an opulent 5-star experience, inspired by the lavish lifestyle of Vietnam's last emperor. Guests can indulge in all-inclusive services, spacious suites with private balconies, and personalized itineraries that include visits to secluded beaches and cultural sites in Bai Tu Long Bay. Victory Star Cruise combines traditional Vietnamese design with modern amenities, providing a comfortable 4-star journey. The cruise features well-appointed cabins, a spa, and excursions to Tien Can Son Cave and Vung Vieng Fishing Village, ideal for travelers seeking a balanced experience. Treasure Junk offers a boutique 3-star experience with its traditional wooden junk design and intimate setting. With a limited number of cabins, guests enjoy personalized service and activities like kayaking and exploring hidden caves, perfect for those seeking authenticity. Prince Junk provides a cozy 3-star boutique experience, featuring handcrafted wooden interiors and a limited number of cabins for an intimate atmosphere. The cruise focuses on off-the-beaten-path itineraries, including visits to Han Co Island and Tien Can Son Cave, catering to travelers desiring a more secluded journey. Garden Bay Classic Cruise offers an affordable 3-star option with its charming wooden vessel and warm hospitality. Guests can enjoy comfortable cabins and excursions to Kap La Island and Vung Vieng Fishing Village, making it suitable for budget-conscious travelers seeking a traditional experience. Each cruise through Bai Tu Long Bay brings with it a different kind of magic, quieter, gentler, and deeply memorable. Whether you seek luxury or authenticity, these 10 journeys promise not just a destination, but a story whispered by the sea.